A new generation of micro-intelligent cooling and heating fans. High value and easy to operate. Super convenient to use 3 liters of large water tank capacity. Adding water once can humidify for a month. Fashion touchscreen design. The elderly and children can operate. Turn on the warm air with 1 click. 16 to 45 degrees with a siren. 6 meters long distance red tail remote control. More convenient, more convenient. Add large particles of double ice crystals. Make the whole summer cooler. 120-degree wide-angle blowing air. The whole room is more windswept. New version of excellent sterilization function. Kills 99% of common small bacteria. Nano-negative ion. The whole space is not dry. Air humidity imbalance. Intelligent timing. Save power decibels. Smooth operation without noise. Sleep soundly every night. Technology changes lives. What you see is what you get.